Hello guys, this is a 222 S class and the engine is 176 V8 cylinder. So today my job is replacing the engine mount. So what are the things we have to do? What are the things we have to remove while replacing the engine mount and gear mount? I will explain in this video. Let's start the job and I will explain step by step. This is the underbody of this car. So this is a 4matic car. We have to remove both side axle. This axle is one lock here, and also then this stabilizer bar. This axle also we have to remove. After that we have to remove this type of coolant line. All the things we have to remove. Then we can see the engine mount. Engine mount is there. So this is the first step. I remove this brake caliper. Then I am removing the axle. So both sides we have to remove the axle because we need to lift up the subframe. And also I remove this stabilizer bar and both side link rod. So this left side is axle removed. Now I'm going to do removing the right side. Now my work in progress. I replace the right side axle. After that I remove this steering rack. And now for removing left side axle, we have to remove this clip. So without this clipping we cannot remove the axle. That's why I am removing this clip, axle clip. Finally I hold the engine. So this is the engine mounting holding device. Complete engine it can hold. So I fix as a like this. This is the bracket for this complete engine holding. This is the adjustable bolt, and these are the fitting of this complete tool. I fix here. Also this one is free, but no matter. So now complete engine holding on this device, and I will remove subframe. Not remove, just lose the subframe. So these are the fitting. So this is the nut of engine bolt of engine mount E14, and also 13 number. Here is the nut. There are there are 3 bolts for this engine mount. Also we are removing this cover, and then I will down this subframe complete. No, just I will lose this bolt of subframe. So now condition is this. The steering is down. This is the 14. Now you can see the engine is complete on this device, engine holding device. My engine is free. After struggling 6 hours, then I near to remove this left side engine mount. I down this subframe little bit and I hold on the jack. There are 2 jacks I am using, and also I am using engine mounting holding device. So now this is the mount of left side. to this oil line pipe. It's too much difficult to remove this engine mount because here no space. That's why I little bit down subframe. I'm using this brake puller to make a gap between subframe and engine because here is no more space. That's why I'm using this puller, this brake puller. It will make a distance to easy enter this engine mount here. Otherwise, we have need two people. One is pushing down the subframe, and then you can fix this engine mount. That's why I'm using this brake puller tool. So this is the smart way to work. How to identify this is a right side engine mount. While fixing right side engine mount, this side right side come forward. This is the engine side and this mount is straight. Also another identification, this is the part number, it will go right side, and this also dot number, this dot hole mark, this will go right side. So while fixing the right side mount, these are the things you have to remember. And now it's the left side. Also you can see here is the left 713, this is the, and this dot go left side, and this is the mark is the straight. And another things is this is the whole mark will go from engine side. This part number also engine side. So these are the identification number. Left side 714 and this one 713 left side. So these are the identification mark on the engine mount.